Hello students, this is Rajeshri Madam. I am going to start your grammar. Chapter 1, Nouns and Compound Nouns. You have already known that there are two main kinds of nouns. One is your common and the other one is proper. A common noun is a general name that is given to all things, places, animals or persons of one kind. For example, book, continent, country, river, dog, girl, boy, city, etc. A proper noun is a special name given to a particular thing, place, animal or person. Asia, Canada, Nile, Mira, Shalim, Karachi, Taj Mahal, Victoria Memorial, Redford, etc. Children, take an example of a book. When you say a book, it refers to all kinds of books. But when you say Panchatantra book, then it's a proper noun. So now, children, you can easily identify a proper noun as it begins with a capital letter even if it is in the middle or end of the sentence, whereas common noun signifies a class of objects, and moreover, common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. So now children, you understood the difference between common and proper noun? Okay, then come to the collective nouns. What is collective nouns? A collective noun is a word which we use to define a group or collection of people, animals or things. Children, see the definition in the book. Collective nouns are a special kind of common and proper nouns. A common or proper noun, that is the name of a collection or group of similar things or persons, is known as collective noun. Crowd, committee, herd, United Nations, etc. For example, the first collective noun, the word is crowd. Crowd refers to a large number of people gathered in one place. The next collective word is committee. Committee means a group of individuals. Then herd. Herd means a group of cattle or sheep. Sometimes the persons, animals or things making up the collection or group are mentioned. The Golden Treasury is a well-known anthology of poems. Here, anthology means a group of poems. Next, B example. Mother has lost her bunch of keys. Here, bunch refers to a set of keys. Only the underlined nouns are collective nouns. The nouns printed in bold letters are common nouns. Some collective nouns are usually used by themselves. He bought a lot of furniture for his new house. Here, furniture is a collective noun. It refers to a group of wooden things is said to be called furniture. The next, D. My family will soon move to Mumbai. Here, family means a group of members who are related to each other. Now come to the exercise A. Please take the pencil, underline and identify which one is proper, common and collective noun. Question number 1. A herd of cows was grazing in the field. Herd, collective noun, cows, common, field, common. Then question number 2. There was a pile of books on the table. Pile, collective, books, common, table, common. Then question number 3. All living creatures need food to survive. Creatures, common, food, common. Okay, then question number 4. The magician turned a bunch of keys into a pigeon. Magician, common. Bunch, collective. Keys, common. Pigeon, common. Then question number 5. The Ganga is a river sacred to Indians. Ganga, proper noun. River, common. Indians, proper. Question number 6. We could see crowd of people standing in the streets. Crowd, collective. People, common. Streets, common. Then question number 7. The crew of the sinking ship refused to leave the captain behind. Crew, collective. Ship, common. Captain, proper. Then question number 8. The class wanted Rima to be their monitor. The class, collective. Rima, proper. Monitor, common. Then 9th one. In winter, flocks of birds come to this lake. Winter, common. Flocks, collective. Birds, common. Lake, common. Then question number 10th. Africa is the second largest continent. Africa, proper noun. Continent, common. Then 11th one. The horse could not pull that cart full of sand. Horse, common. Cart, common. Sand also, common. 12th one. Sanjay has joined a company of actors. Sanjay, proper. Company, collective. Actors, common. 13th one. This album has 5 CDs of popular songs. Album, collective. CDs, common. Songs, common. 14th one. The two teams went in separate buses to the stadium. Teams, collective. Buses, common. Stadium, common. 15th one. We saw many groups of pilgrims camping by the river. Groups, collective. Pilgrims, common. River, common. Here are the answers of the exercise A of the chapter 1, nouns and compounds. So all those answers write down neatly in your grammar copy. I will discuss the compound nouns in the next part of the video. So thank you so much.